Hey folks, are you at the age where you'll be taking money out of your IRA or 401k account soon? Some major changes are happening right now in 2024 where the laws are changing. Not a lot of information is available, but I have an overview of the changes and how they may impact you. It will be important to grab a pen and paper and take some notes with this video. Plan to watch this video to the end, so you can get all of the changes that may impact you and your retirement plans. Most individuals of retirement age want to keep their money in the retirement account. Need it to cover bills, medical expenses, or maybe that second honeymoon you have always wanted. Well, most people who hit this retirement age never knew about something called required minimum distributions or RMDs. More about this in a moment. First, let me introduce myself. I'm Mark with Crypto for Seniors, where curiosity evolves into knowledge. I know we normally talk about all things crypto, but here is some major changes about your retirement account that I wanted to showcase. Mainly, as I said, because most people simply didn't know. Now, like always, nothing contained in this video or on my channel is considered financial advice. Please, always seek professional financial planner assistance. I am just a guy on the internet who is documenting his journey into retirement and how I use crypto to help add to my portfolio in my so-called golden years. We're diving into some critical changes coming down the pike this year in 2024 that could seriously impact your retirement savings and long-term goals. We're talking about required minimum distributions. Did you even know you are required to take a minimum amount out of your retirement account? Most people I talk to, this is a shock. They plan to keep the money in the account as long as possible, and well, you will have to adjust that thinking now. We're talking potentially thousands of dollars staying put in your retirement accounts, growing and compounding instead of landing in Uncle Sam's pocket. So whether you're already in retirement or you're diligently planning for the future, you need to know how these new rules will affect your hard retirement plan. Well, I hope you have that pen and paper because here goes. And remember, this is not financial advice. All right, let's kick things off with a big win for Roth 401k holders. This is what they call a game changer. New laws of 2024 says you no longer have to take required minimum distributions from your Roth accounts during your lifetime. So, no more forced withdrawals. This, my fellow seniors, is a major game changer. Now, for those of you who are unfamiliar, a Roth IRAs is a fantastic retirement savings vehicle. It's one of the best ways to save for your golden years. And now, the single largest benefit will be your money can remain undisturbed and continue for years growing with compound interest. Compound interest is what helps you to get from $250,000 to $650,000 with the right investments and interest. You contribute money you've already paid taxes on, let it grow tax-free, and then when you retire, you get to withdraw that money completely tax-free. No taxes on your gains, ever. So the longer it's in growing with compound interest, the better. This is, if done correctly, where generational wealth comes from. You just needed to work with that financial planner in your 20s and 30s to give you the roadmap. If you are a bit older, this can still help you, but it is even more critical you work with a professional to try to make up some time and capture that wealth with the right investments just for you. But under the old rules, even with a Roth, you'd still have to start taking those RMDs at age 72, which meant a portion of your hard-earned savings was being forced out of the market. You see, with a Roth, you can pass on your entire account balance to your heirs, and they won't have to pay taxes on it either. I just want to say, this is a microphone drop moment, if ever. They get to enjoy those same tax-free benefits. It's a wonderful way to provide this generational wealth I have been speaking about. That's right, your children or grandchildren could inherit a Roth that's been growing tax-free for decades, setting them up for a bright financial future. Take a moment from this video and just think of the impact on their lives. Living without financial worries, being able to travel, build that swimming pool out back, or more importantly, pay for college or pay student debt off. Now I know what you're thinking. Mark, this sounds too good to be true. What's the catch? Well, the only catch is that this new rule only applies to Roth IRAs, not traditional 401ks. So, if you have a traditional IRA, you'll still be required to take those RMDs. I want you to be informed and make the best decisions for your retirement. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your financial future. This is why my tagline is, where curiosity evolves into knowledge. Remember, retirement planning is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making consistent, informed decisions over time. Now let's talk about another group of folks who are getting a bit of a break from the IRS when it comes to RMDs. Those who inherited an IRA between 2020 and 2024. You see, under the old rules, if you inherited an IRA from someone other than your spouse, you had to drain that account within 10 years of the original owner's death. That's a lot of pressure, especially if you inherit a large sum of money and you're not quite sure what to do with it. Here's another important change. For those who inherited an IRA between 2020 and 2024, you don't have to take RMDs in 2024. That's right, you get a 1-year reprieve. This is huge. Now I can only guess what you're thinking, Mark. It's just 1 year, what difference does it really make? Well, let me tell you, in the world of investing, even 1 year can make a significant difference. I have already mentioned it twice in this video, and I just finished a whole live stream about the topic. Compound interest and the interest you get to keep without having to take out anything or disturb your funds or tokens. Yes, tokens. You knew I would work crypto back into this video. Check out I Trust Capital, where I am moving my IRA from my last employer. I Trust allows you to invest into crypto. My main retirement is in stocks, but this part-time job I had for 5 years now allows me to put this retirement amount into crypto and adjust as I want. They are not a sponsor, and I get nothing from suggesting them. I simply think it is important for you to check them out if you are interested in crypto. Think about it this way, every year that your money stays invested is another year for it to potentially grow and compound. It's like planting a seed and giving it time to blossom into a beautiful tree. But this reprieve isn't just about potential growth, it's also about strategic planning. You see, when you're forced to take RMDs, you're also forced to pay taxes on those distributions. And depending on your tax bracket and the size of your inheritance, those taxes can eat into your inheritance significantly. But with this 1-year delay, you have more time to strategize with a financial advisor and come up with a tax-efficient plan for managing your inheritance. Maybe you decide to convert some of that inherited IRA into a Roth IRA, which would allow your money to grow tax-free and provide tax-free income in retirement. Or maybe you decide to use some of the inheritance to pay down high-interest debt, which is like giving yourself an instant return on your investment. You might even want to consult with multiple financial advisors to get different perspectives and advice tailored to your unique situation. Ultimately, this 1-year reprieve is about giving you the confidence and clarity to make the best possible decisions for your financial future. But remember, the clock is already ticking. Blink, and it will be over. All right, folks, let's talk about a fantastic opportunity for seniors to lower their tax burden and keep more of their hard-earned money in their pockets. This is especially important as we all know how quickly expenses can add up during retirement. I'm talking about qualified charitable distributions, or QCDs. These can be a game changer for your financial planning. Now, if you're 70 and a half or older and you have a traditional IRA, listen up because this could save you a bundle. It's a simple yet effective way to manage your finances better. A QCD allows you to directly transfer up to $100,000 from your IRA to a qualified charity without having to pay taxes on that distribution. Imagine the impact you can make with such a significant contribution. This is a fantastic way to support your favorite causes and save you on taxes. It's like getting a charitable deduction without even having to itemize your deductions. It's a win-win. You get the satisfaction of giving and the financial benefits too. You get to support a cause you're passionate about, and you get to lower your tax bill at the same time. It's a wonderful way to give back to the community. Now, here's where it gets even better. The benefits keep on growing. Starting in 2024, that $100,000 QCD limit will be indexed to inflation. This means your giving power increases over time. That means the limit will increase each year to keep pace with the rising cost of living. This ensures that your contributions remain impactful. So in a few years, you might be able to transfer even more money directly to your favorite charities, all while minimizing your tax liability. It's a forward-thinking strategy. It's a fantastic way to make a difference in the world and keep more of your hard-earned money working for you and your loved ones. Your generosity can grow alongside your financial security. But here's the kicker, folks. There's an additional benefit you might not have considered. The money you transfer via a QCD counts towards your required minimum distributions for the year. This is a crucial aspect of retirement planning. This is why this is not a DIY project. You really must see a professional. I am only reporting on what my research had told me because I am looking for tax savings while looking for more content to bring to my subscribers. Remember, folks, Retirement is a time to enjoy the fruits of your labor and give back to the causes you care about. It's a time for fulfillment and generosity. And with smart strategies like QCDs, you can do just that while minimizing your tax burden and leaving a lasting legacy for future generations. It's a powerful way to make a positive impact to your loved ones and a good feeling knowing you are set for your new retirement future. Well, there you have it, the ins and outs of the new 2024 RMD rules. As you can see, these changes have the potential to significantly impact your retirement savings, so it's crucial to stay informed and make adjustments to your financial plan accordingly. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you understand about these new rules, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions that will help you achieve your financial goals and enjoy a comfortable and secure retirement. Don't let these changes catch you off guard, or worse yet, you miss this golden one-year reprieve. Talk to your financial advisor, do your research, and stay informed. Your future self will thank you for it. Finally, if you feel your curiosity evolved into knowledge, how about pressing the liked button, subscribing to the channel so you don't miss another really important video like this, and drop a quick comment below to let me know what works for you. Thanks and take care until the next time.